Hi everybody, this is Chuck. We are gonna hear, this will be my first time hearing this car start and run. Let me give you a little tour before we start it. So this is what we call Neon 3. It's a Neon ACR. I'll show you the little cool ACR logo. It's a Neon ACR. And we got it, as a pickup truck load of parts for 800 bucks. And then the coolest thing about this, it's got a 2.4 liter upgrade, but the cool part here is ITBs, independent throttle bodies. And these come off of a 1997 Dodge Stratus, a factory race car from some racing series, the NATCC series or something like that. And so we put these on. It is made for a problematic, there's nothing stock on this car, so you're inventing everything. So there's a lot of engineering. It's got a whole engine management system in here that's like totally custom and it's like totally awesome. And now Andy's gonna give it a start. We'll see if she goes. Ooh. Okay, the hair on the back of my neck is standing up because that's so damn awesome. There will be no other car at the track that sounds like that, period. So thanks to everybody here at JEM Sport, and Scott, my brother, and Andy. It's still not done, but when it is, it's gonna be so awesome, okay? Cheers.